How'd y'all like hanging out with the old guys today?
It was fun.
Yeah?
It turned out pretty well.
Pretty well?
Solid, relaxing weekend.
Food was
right.
good.
We have made it back to the New River State Park for the annual Old Man Kayaking Club kayaking weekend. We got the gear loaded up. We got a several 100-yard walk to the campsite, and they provide these nice carts for you to walk your gear back there. This is a glamping weekend, so we are bringing comforts from home. Making our way down the path. Off to the right is the bathhouse. We're entering the camping area, and it's going to be a busy weekend. At camp here, we got campsite 2930, same as last year. We got Tony in the orange tent, Pat in the green tent, myself in the blue tent, and we are waiting for Henry and Joel and William and his roommate. I don't remember his roommate's name. What is it?
Harry.
Harry. Okay, yeah, Harry. So we got Pat.
Yep.
And then we got Tony, just looking good as ever. You must have got a lot of beauty sleep last night.
I was off today, so I got to sleep in.
There you
Extra
go.
beauty sleep.
All right.
Felt like it worked.
So we're going to use campsite 30 for cooking our food and sitting around the fire. What's on the menu for tonight, Tony?
Deconstructed enchiladas.
All right. We are glamping this weekend. We're going to eat good. So I think we got fajitas, breakfast fajitas in the morning. We got pizza for tomorrow night. It's going to be good.
Yeah.
All right, so we just finished eating dinner, and I forgot to take any video of it. But Tony made deconstructed enchiladas, and we have one entire Dutch oven left over. That might be breakfast tomorrow. We got Henry, who was not late today. Let it be known that Henry was here, the fourth person here. We're still waiting on Joel. And we got a couple other guests. All right, so we got two new guests going kayaking with us this weekend. We got William here. That's one of my Eagle Scouts. And we got his roommate, Harry.
Yes, sir.
Good to have you guys with us.
Glad to be
Looking
here.
forward to it.
Great weekend to be out kayaking on the river. Campsite 30 is going to be our cooking, eating, and campfire. All right, we got Chef Tony here making our breakfast.
Woohoo!
some-
Jenny's short order cook.
There you go. Breakfast burritos this morning. And Joel showed up. We missed that yesterday.
I made it finally.
All right, good morning from the Old Man Kayaking Club. We are here at the New River State Park in North Carolina, and we are headed up to the outfitter now. We're going to be doing a kayaking trip down the New River. I'll shoot some more video when we get there, but we got a couple new people here. We got William over here. That's Henry's son. We have Harry in the back over there. That's William's roommate. We haven't seen Tony in a while, and he's back. We got Joel. Well, you know Joel. We got Pat. And then Henry has made his appearance. Yes. All right, so let's hit the outfitter because we are late.
Paddle on.
We made it to the outfitter, New River Outfitters. This is the New River. It's considered one of the older, if not the oldest, river in the country. It actually flows south to north. So the outfit is going to take us downstream about 15-16 miles. We're going to paddle back to our campsite tonight, and then continue in the morning another 9 miles right past the outfitter downstream to a takeout point. Gear is loaded up, ready to go. We have made it to our put-in. We're about 16 miles upstream. We've got 5 kayaks and 1 canoe. William and Harry are going to be in the canoe. The rest of us will be in the kayak. We've got about a 16-mile downstream paddle. This is where we're going to put in. We are on the water. And here we go. This will be the extent of our swift water. Ooh, getting turned around. Pulled off, stopped for a little snack break and stretch our legs a little bit. There's an old mill over here that I want to go see. It says Wooten Mill, 1775. Y'all stuck? Woo-hoo-hoo. That was cold. Got a little geese crossing going on here. Woohoo! Pat's stuck. Now I'm stuck. Stop for a little lunch break. About 7 miles in, we've got 7 to 8 more miles to get back to camp. Had a little incident back there. Happened so quickly I didn't get a chance to get it on camera. But I'd actually hit a shallow patch and the boat got stuck, or the kayak got stuck on the shallow end. So I went to get out of it and move the kayak to more deeper water. And when I got in, I got too close to a log on the side of the river. The kayak got hit the log, and because of the current, it tipped the kayak, threw me out of the kayak. The kayak filled up with water. My paddle went downstream. My water bottle went downstream. I had to get that. And now my kayak probably weighed about 300 pounds full of water. And I could not get the water out of it. So fortunately, Henry and William were coming behind me and were able to help me get the kayak emptied of water so that I could continue. That was a little unnerving for a few minutes, but it was still kind of fun. Looks like we have a low bridge to navigate. Whoa! All right, we have made it back to New River State Park, 221 access. Let's land this thing without falling out. If I can get my feet down. Oh, goodness gracious.
Wow, you got a lot of water in yours.
Yeah. For dinner tonight, Joel has his, is this a Father's Day gift?
Yeah, father/birthday gift.
Father's Day gift? A propane heated pizza oven. So we're going to be making some camp pizza.
I don't know about food. This sounds like pretty delicate.
And we're going to be making an apple cobbler. All right, so William and Harry are going to be the guinea pigs. They're going to make the first pizza. Pressure's on, guys.
Make a little happy face there in the middle or something there.
Right now, Harry's in the lead.
He got the sauce first. And he did half the pizza.
Well, I mean,
William's
maybe you
bringing
can
up the
put one in
rear.
at a
You're
time
an Eagle
anyway.
Scout, William.
Ooh. Nice job. It actually slid off. Nice. Next person can go ahead.
What do you think, William?
Gotta wait for it to cool down.
Have you ever camped like this before?
I have not.
So that's why you come with the Old Man Hiking Club. This is my pizza. Don't it look good? If we had smell-o-vision, y'all would be licking your lips right now. This is a nice apple cobbler. Good morning, everybody. This is Sunday, June 23rd.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so this is William, and this is Harry. How'd y'all like hanging out with the old guys today?
It was fun.
Yeah?
It turned out pretty well.
Pretty well.
Solid, relaxing weekend.
Food was
All right.
good.
Did you enjoy the kayaking and canoeing?
Yep.
All right.
A lot of fun. Glad we got invited.
All right. Well, you're all welcome to come back again.
We'll be back.
Hang out with us. Well, we're going to finish up the river today. We got 9 more miles downstream, so let's paddle on.
Paddle on.
Getting our kayaks ready for the voyage downstream. We're going to put it in here and head down 9 miles down that way. We are headed downstream. So this is our outfitter, New River Outfitters. We're going right past their business, and we got 7 more miles down to the takeout point. Well, that was a good one, Tony. Go big or go home. All right, we got Joel just tipped his kayak over.
What he made it 22.5 miles?
Yeah. And we've reached our final destination. Outfitter's a little early, which is great. We didn't have to wait here but 10 minutes. And that ends the kayaking trip of 2024 down the New River. And the weather was absolutely beautiful. It was golden, man. We had no clouds in the sky and a lot of sun.
Water was warm.
Water was warm,
Muddy.
a little muddy. Joel took a bath.
And what?
So, what'd you think, Henry?
I realized that I like canoeing in a river far more than I like kayaking.
All right. Tony?
Yeah, I had a blast. I love kayaking, so I enjoyed it.
Pat?
My shoulders are sore, but other than that, it was great.
Harry?
It was good just to unplug for the weekend, hang out with y'all guys and kayak.
William?
I realized how much I miss Northern Tier over here.
And Joel?
Oh, had a great time. A lot of fun.
All right. Yeah, so
Al?
I had a great weekend as well. Really enjoyed the food this weekend. That pizza on last night was awesome. So that ends our trip for this month. Next month we are back to backpacking up Mount LeConte. So stay tuned for that. Let's all go home, guys.
All right.
Yep.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.